I did receive a call confirming if I wanted to cancel my plan, but they also gave me an option to downgrade to prepaid instead. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect your Globe plan without having the need to go to the branch, falling in long lines, or waiting on long queues on customer service calls. Tip ko lang, before you disconnect your line, make sure that you redeem your rewards first. You can easily do that through the Globe One app. Check out this video. Make sure to watch the whole video because I'll be showing additional tips in order for you to make the process faster. Open the Globe One app. Kung multiple ang accounts nyo, you can switch by scrolling up here. Click View All, then scroll down. Tapos click Get Help. Make account changes. It will lead you to Messenger. Wait nyo lang until mag-load itong Globe Telecom thread. Input the 11-digit mobile number of the account you want to disconnect. Then, confirm if tama yung number. Hintayin nyo lang kasi minsan matagal mag-respond. Now, dito sa options, swipe right and hanapin nyo tong cancel plan. So, it says here, please take note that you might need to pay a pre-termination fee and there might still be options for you to maintain your Globe account. Scroll ulit kayo and find Cancel My Plan. May mga verification questions lang. Just click Get Verified now. The first one is, tinatanong kung ano yung address linked to your postpaid plan. In order to check that, pwede kayong bumalik sa Globe One app, select your plan, then view your bill details. And dito nyo makikita yung address. Type it in, then select yung payment channel na ginamit nyo to pay for your last bill. Then input yung plan. Again, makikita nyo yon on the Globe One app. Input the amount that you recently paid on your plan. Then, ayan, you receive a confirmation na ipaprocess nila yung cancellation request nyo. Take note of the reference number na binigay nila. Hintayin nyo lang dahil may Globe Care Specialist na tatawag within 2 days. The first time I tried to cancel my plan, no one actually called after 3 days. So, I sent a follow-up via Messenger. Unfortunately, they said that there is no existing request. What I did is I requested again and I even called 112 just to make sure and they said existing naman yung ticket. What you could also do is tag the request as a termination request because sometimes even if you requested to cancel your plan, it doesn't tag your request as termination or cancellation. Maybe that's the reason why no one called the first time I tried to cancel. So to speed up the process, just tag it as a termination request. After a day, meron naman tumawag agad na customer service. I did receive a call confirming if I wanted to cancel my plan, but they also gave me an option to downgrade to prepaid instead. Since wala naman babayaran and para magamit pa rin yung mobile number, I converted it to prepaid instead. There's no maintaining balance kaya okay lang na zero. As long as I use it at least once within a year or 2. So after that short call, just wait 24 hours. You'll receive a text or an SMS to restart your phone. I actually received it just after an hour and pagka-restart ko, I checked my Globe One app and nag-reflect agad na prepaid na yung account ko. And that's it. No long lines, no long queues. I was able to disconnect or downgrade my Globe plan into prepaid. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!